All right, we're back with some word problems, lesson 4, page 315. We are going to make sure that we use reasonable problem-solving skills to find our answers. And so the first one is talking about Eva. Maybe it's the owl. I don't know. Eva's house number has 3 digits. The sum of the 3 digits is 7. Oh, it's a riddle. 2 of the digits are even. The middle digit is 1. The first digit is less than the last digit. What is Eva's house number? Ooh, this is going to take some brain power. All right. So it says that if we add all 3 numbers together, it equals 7. Okay? It also tells me that the middle digit is 1. So I'll put a 1 there. I know that this first number and this last number are even. So that means it has to be 2, 4, or 6. Why can't I use 8? Because it can't be bigger than 7. Okay, so it can be any of these. It tells me also that the first digit is less than the last digit. So this digit has to be smaller than this one. Okay, so all right, let's look at this. 6 could be here, and 4 is smaller, so we could do 6 and 4, but if we add all these together, is that going to make 7? That's not the right choice. Okay, so let's try this. Do we think we're going to be able to use 6 if we have 2 more numbers to put? Probably not. That narrows it down pretty quick. So now we have 2 and 4, and we know that the first digit is less. So the 2 should be here, the 4 should be here. By the way, what is 2 plus 4? Oh yeah, that's 6. And if we already had 1, that means 7. So Eva's house number is 214, or 214. All right, that one's a little tricky. Really got your thinking caps on. All right. Well, let's go to the next page. Maybe. Maybe not. Whew. See, went too far. My computer is not cooperating today. There we go. Shoo! Oh, look at those cute puppies. All right. It says the number of dogs at the shelter, sorry, it's hard to read, is a 2-digit odd number. Okay? 2-digit odd number. Got that number in. It is more than 80. The tens digit is less than the ones digit. The sum of the digits is 17. How many dogs are at the shelter? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back through. I know it's a 2-digit number. So here and here. So I have to have 2 numbers. We know it's an odd number. So we have to remember our odd numbers. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Why didn't I go above that? Well, because we're looking for a 2-digit number. We have to use single digits in this case. All right, it says it's more than 80. All right, so more than 80. The tens digit is less than the ones digit, so this digit is smaller than this one. And if I add these 2 numbers together, I get 17. Okay, so let's look at these numbers first. We know it's an odd number. That means it has to have an odd number back here. So one of those numbers has to be back here. And we know that it's greater than 80. Okay? So it's greater than 80, it has to be 90 something, right? It has to be 90 something. Because it says it's greater than 80. Or could it be 80 something? Ooh, could be. It's tricking us. Hopefully you got your brain power on. All right. So one of these numbers needs to be behind there. And if we add the 2 together, we're going to get 17. All right. So what do you think? Should we try the 8 or the 9 first? Let's try the 8 first. What is 8 plus 1? Well, 8 plus 1 is 9. That's not 17, so we're not going to use that one. 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is 11, not 17, so that's not it. 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. No, not it. Okay, let's try the next one. 8 plus 7. So maybe it's 87. What is 8 plus 7? Oh, yep, that's not it either. That's only 15. All right, well, we only have one more odd number to try. We have this 9. So let's put a 9 behind the 8. What is 8 plus 9? Oh, yeah, 8 plus 9 is 17. So how many dogs are at the shelter? 89. That's a lot of dogs. That is a lot of dogs. All right. So these are a little bit tricky, all right? You're really going to have to put your thinking caps on. Mom and Dad, it's probably going to require some help from you. I am going to go ahead and cross out the brain builder because it's going to be a little bit more challenging than what the numbers already are. So you can cross out the brain builders. This page, well, this page is interesting, page 318. You're going to choose a different way to solve the problems. So you might have to use that riddle strategy. You might have to make a model, so draw a picture. You might have to write a number sentence. You might even have to find a pattern, so like skip counting, to solve these. All right? On the next page, ooh, maybe. I'm afraid to touch it again. Is your homework page. There's nothing on it. It's just an example. And then on the back again, you have 2 brain builders that you're going to cross out. All right? So you really don't have that many problems left to do. You just have a few. Again, if there's one that you are stumped and you just can't figure it out, have Mom or Dad send me a picture, and I will be more than happy to help you out.